The precision and high speed of the RK GP100 makes it ideal for ink manufacturers or users of high-quality gravure printing. Easy to use with its quick-release doctor blade, there is a touchscreen for all settings. A servo drive and pneumatic operations automatically control all processes, eliminating human error. This allows repeatable testing. Electronically engraved printing plates can be customized with designs and logos, and it accommodates any flexible substrate. It wipes clean in seconds, with total turnaround taking less than a minute. The GP100 is ideal for computer color matching and is the essential quality control tool for gravure inks.